As indicated by the most recent long-haul gauge, Solana cost will hit $500 toward the finish of 2024 and afterward $700 by the center of 2025. Solana will ascend to $800 inside the extended period of 2027, $1,000 in 2030, $1,200 in 2031, $1,500 in 2032, and $2,000 in 2034. Solana value expectation 2024-2025. Solana cost began in 2024 at $101.92. Today, Solana exchanged at $147.33, so the cost expanded by 45% from the start of the year. The estimated Solana cost toward the finish of 2024 is $542, and the year-to-year change plus 432%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 268%. In 2024, we hope to see $333 per 1 Solana. In the primary portion of 2025, the Solana cost will move to $769. In the last part, the cost would lose $76 and close the year at $693, which is plus 370% to the ongoing cost. The estimate for later, close to days and months. Sunday, blemish $10.149. Monday, blemish $11.151. Tuesday, blemish $12.152. Wednesday, blemish $13.154. Thursday, blemish $14.156. Friday, blemish $15.157. Saturday, blemish $16.159. Sunday, blemish $17.160. April $15.208. May $15.257. June $15.308. July $15.350. August $15.385. Solana forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Solana cost would move from $693 to $177, which is up 70%. Solana will begin 2026 at $693, then at that point take off to $790 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $777. That implies plus 427% from today. In this period, the Solana cost would ascend from $177 to $234, which is plus 81%. Solana will begin 2031 at $177, then at that point take off to $276 inside the main portion of the year and finish 2031 at $1376. It is about plus 834% from today. Solana value forecast 2024-2025. Solana cost began in 2024 at $101.92. Today, Solana exchanged at $115.88, so the cost expanded by 14% from the start of the year. The gauge Solana cost toward the finish of 2024 is $517, and the year-to-year change plus 407%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 346%. In 2024, we hope to see $293 per 1 Solana. In the primary portion of 2025, the Solana cost will move to $781. In the last part, the cost would add $36 and close the year at $817, which is plus 605% to the ongoing cost. Solana expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Solana cost would move from $817 to $1,201, which is up 47%. Solana will begin 2026 at $817, then take off to $852 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $889. That implies plus 667% from today. Solana forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Solana cost would ascend from $1,201 to $2,211, which is plus 84%. Solana will begin 2031 at $1,201, then at that point take off to $1,324 inside the main portion of the year and finish 2031 at $1,451. It is about plus 152% from today. Shituza 1-2 into 4. Solana value forecast 2024-2025. Solana cost began in 2024 at $101.92. Today, Solana exchanged at $94.71, so the cost diminished by 7% from the very start of the year. The gauge Solana cost toward the finish of 2024 is $423.37, and the year-to-year change plus 315%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 347%. In 2024, we hope to see $239.77 per 1 Solana. In the primary portion of 2025, the Solana cost will move to $639.49. In the final part, the cost would add $29.50 and close the year at $668.99, which is plus 606% to the ongoing cost. Solana expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Solana cost would move from $668.99 to $983.56, which is up 47%. Solana will begin 2026 at $668.99, then take off to $697.40 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $727.50. That implies plus 668% from today. Solana expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Solana cost would ascend from $983.56 to $1,809.05, which is plus 84%. Solana will begin 2031 at $983.56, then at that point take off to $183.98 inside the main portion of the year and finish 2031 at $187.73. It is about plus 154% from today. 0115204. Solana value forecast 2024-2025. Solana cost began in 2024 at $101.92. Today, Solana exchanged at $95.60. So the cost diminished by 6% from the start of the year. The estimated Solana cost toward the finish of 2024 is $913.48 and the year-to-year change plus 796%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 855%. In 2024, we hope to see $372.85 per 1 Solana. In the primary portion of 2025, the Solana cost will drop to $822.73. In the last part, the cost would add $114.60 and close the year at $937.33, which is plus 880% to the ongoing cost. Solana forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring a critical increment. Solana cost would move from $937.33 to $2,509.46, which is up 168%. Solana will begin 2026 at $937.33, then dip to $921.40 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $820.31. That implies plus 758% from today. Solana forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Solana cost would rise altogether from $2,509.46 to $8,218.1, which is plus 227%. Solana will begin 2031 at $2,509.46, then take off to $2,994.62 inside the principal half of the year and finish 2031 at $3,356.39. It is about plus 411% from today. 01012 cent to 4.